Lesson 1, Sentences. So let's see what is a sentences in this lesson 1. Okay, so what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. As for example, I love reading storybook. Okay, and a sentence begins with a capital letter like I is capital here and ends with a full stop. Okay, or a question mark. If it is a question, then it will end with a question mark or an exclamatory mark. Okay, a sentence must have a verb. So what is a verb? A verb is a word which denotes action or doing things like play, read, run. All those are a verb. Here I love reading. Here reading shows an action about what the subject is doing. So reading is a verb here. In a sentence we can find a subject and then a verb and then object. And to make a sentence we need to have a complete sense. To have a complete sense, what we should have? We should have subject plus verb plus object, or subject plus be verb plus object. Here verb means an action which denotes something doing or action, and be verbs are words which help the subject like is, are, am, shall and all. Okay, so let's see lesson 1. Number 1, what are the children saying? Write a sentence in each bubble. So number 1, John sees something in the tree. So here what is that? That means John saw something in the tree and he is thinking what is that. So here there is a subject and also see. See shows something about the subject. So see is a verb. Something in the tree is a object which is telling about the subject. Okay, and so number 2, Ria is going for a picnic. So we can see here this is Ria, they are going for a picnic. So here there is Ria is a subject, is a helping verb, going is a verb, for a picnic is a object. And also in a sentence we can find subject and then predicate. Subjects are, it may be name of a person, name of a place or a thing, and the group of words which tell something about the subject is called a predicate. So here John is subject here and this bird is a predicate. Here also Ria is a subject here and is going for a picnic is a predicate. So we can find here subject plus be verb plus object. Okay, so here we can write hooray, we have reached. Okay, number 3, Aman is in the library. So Aman is inside the library, he is reading a book. So we can write here, what an interesting story. This is like it is a sentence of exclamatory, so we can give exclamatory mark here. Okay, so we are using exclamatory sentences in a interjection. Interjection means those sentences which shows sudden feelings is a interjection. Okay, we learn it afterwards in another lesson. Here number 4. Fiza wants to borrow a pencil from Neha. So what will Fiza ask? What she wants? How she will ask? Let's see. Now Fiza will ask pencil. So Fiza will say, please lend me a pencil, or please lend me one pencil. You can write a also here, or one pencil. Okay. After that you have to give full stop here. So a sentence always starts with a capital. For subject, for a noun subject, we have to use capital, and at the end also we have to use full stop. And if it is a question, then you have to give a question mark, and if it is an exclamatory sentence, then we have to use a exclamatory symbol. Okay.